Hey guys, remember me? I'm the guy who released two brushes tutorial and then disappear. 2020 was really interesting time for me. A lot of things happening. Unfortunately, I hadn't had much time to produce as many videos as I wanted. But I carved out some time to create a voiceover tutorial about my process of creating this animation that I did last year. With the full version of this tutorial, I will guide you from the sketch to the final BG painting. There is no recording of the process because there was a lot of trial and error until a solid pipeline was founded. I will do my best to share my process and guide you along the way. Think of it more as a process breakdown rather than step-by-step instructional guide. You will need some basic of Blender and Grease Pencil to understand what I'll be doing. The tutorial comes in 3 tiers depending on your interest. I hope you will enjoy this and it will give me an opportunity to create more content for you guys.